Here I have the metal bed frame from Boltrise. I'm just going to do a quick overview of the assembly process and then show you the finished product. So what I like about it is it comes basically like 70% assembled for you because you just unfold the outer frame and then all you're going to do is put on the four corners and that's just four bolts on each side. So I had the whole thing assembled in about 30 minutes. I did it by myself. The slat's going easy. So it's going to be a very, very simple process to get this whole thing put together. Now, what's cool about this brand is they do supply you with mattress guards, and I demo a bunch of these bed frames. This is something that's kind of unique to this brand, which I want to make sure that I let you know. So that's really cool. On top of that, this thing holds like 3,500 pounds, so it should be able to support whatever weight you put on there. And if you are wondering if you can install a headboard to this, yes, you can. They're going to have slots on the front of this, so you can put on whatever type of headboard you want, or on the back of it, whatever. So overall, this is really, really easy to put together, affordable, exactly what I needed. So if you're looking for an easy to assemble bed frame that's going to hold a lot of weight, this could be it. So I give it two thumbs up.